Hello, welcome back. Delia here with the cleaning group. As a business owner, you probably never stop trying to improve your company's performance and make your work lighter. One of the easiest and most effective ways to improve the quality of your business is to hire a commercial cleaning company to help you create and maintain an inviting and healthy work environment. Will investing in hiring a commercial cleaning service increase the success of your business? Take a look at the following 3 top facts. Also consider why you should hire us. In order to effectively clean your facility in compliance with professional standards, a company that specializes in cleaning businesses has the training and experience required to properly sanitize and protect your business. Qualified cleaning companies use safe products, the latest equipment, and specialized techniques that you might not have access to. In addition to taking preventative steps, they will regularly remove dirt, bacteria, clutter, and trash to maintain a safe and healthy environment for your clients and staff. It has been proven that an office or business facility that is clean, healthy, and well organized promotes an enjoyable working atmosphere that increases employee morale, motivating them to show up at work and be more productive. Providing your employees a clean and healthy place of employment not only increases retention rates, but also expresses your appreciation for them. Maintaining a clean, professional environment will provide an excellent impression to both current and potential customers. Consider the following scenarios. If a store has filthy floors, dirty windows, dusty shelves, and a musty smell, would you want to shop there? Or would you prefer to shop in a store with spotless floors, sparkling windows, dust-free surfaces, and clean, fresh air? Most likely, you'll choose the second scenario. Customers are more likely to trust in the quality of your products and services when they see how committed you are to uphold the high standard for your business. You won't have to worry about the condition of your facility when you hire the experts from the cleaning group to take care of the commercial and janitorial cleaning services for your business. Our team of trained professionals will handle everything from floor cleaning, window cleaning, dusting, sanitizing, and anything you need. We will customize our methods and approach to meet your company's specific needs. For more information, contact the cleaning group today. Our contact information is in the description box below. Please let us know what type of videos you would like to see in the future. Follow us on social media, and for more information on our cleaning services, visit our website. If you enjoyed watching this video and found it helpful, consider subscribing for more and turn on your notifications bell. Until next time, thank you for watching.